Hi guys, it's Bamboo Neil here, St. John's, Newfoundland, Canada. Beautiful spring day, April 30th, about 0 degrees Celsius, -4 wind chill. I was shocked this morning, of course, to look out my window and see this. Basically like a blizzard. I knew it was supposed to get a little bit cold, down to about -7 wind chill. So I decided to cover my Sable Minor Louisiana and my needle palm, if you can see it there. It's buried under some burlap because with all the wind we had yesterday and the freezing rain the night before, they started to look a little bit brown. There's a yucca there and some Fortunae seedlings. There's my bamboo, and there's my small Wagnerianus. And there's my other waggy right there, buried under the snow. Yeah, so hopefully it will survive this unexpected weather. That's it for me.